The holiday spirit is here in McClan Garden to celebrate the holidays with their annual tree lighting. The event is hosted by the apartment complex Cathedral Commons, located across the food store Giant.
You could be living next to your neighbor probably for 20 years and never met them, and now you have a chance to mingle, do different things.
The tree lighting comes with different activities such as carolers. In addition to live entertainment and free food, there's a mailbox directly to the North Pole. Just simply take one of these happy holiday letters and jot down all your wishes and drop it off just like that. With the fun activities at the event, a very special guest came to greet children all the way from the North Pole and experience his favorite part of the holiday season.
Oh, the same as always, getting to talk with kids. Usually when I see children on Christmas Eve, they're asleep. But when I come to places like this, I get to talk with them in person.
And Santa has some advice for the kids of the world on how to stay on the nice list.
Listen to mom and dad and do what they say. Clean their room when they're asked to. If they're in school, listen to their teachers. All sorts of things like that, and especially be a helper.
For Com 432, I'm Kathryn Gilroy, and happy holidays.